Hey, it's Anna Berry with the Forest Society. I'm here at Madame Sherri Forest in Chesterfield. Just wanted to show you what happened here with the ruins of Madame Sherri's chateau, or castle, as many described it. This stone staircase went up to the third floor of her house and had been intact up until approximately July 11th. I wanted to show you it because I know it's a meaningful spot to a lot of people, and the history of Madame Sherri is really fascinating. But we also just wanted to make sure that everyone heeds the tape and the caution sign. The site continues to be unstable, and we really want to make sure that no one climbs on the ruins. You can see where the third arch used to stand, the top arch. And the other two that are left. And again, very unstable. Here's the signage that the Forest Society and the Chesterfield Conservation Commission have installed. Caution, falling rocks, serious injury may occur. It is a beautiful spot to come and take in the forest and the history, but please use caution, and again, don't climb on the ruins. If you'd like to share your memories of Madame Sherri's Forest, you can tag the Forest Society on Instagram or Facebook, and we've really enjoyed seeing all the photos that you've shared of this special spot over the different seasons and throughout the years. If you'd like to support the work of the Forest Society to protect natural spaces like Madame Sherri's Forest and 190 other forest reservations across New Hampshire, you can visit forestsociety.org and make a donation or become a member. Thanks.